Hi, my name is Kat Silvers, and today we are going to talk about Boolean operators. Here's what we're going to learn in this video. We will begin with the question, what is Boolean? And then we will move into Boolean search operators, and we will cover and, or, and not operations, why quotations are useful, and how asterisks can help you save time. First, what is Boolean? Boolean is named after George Boole, who was an English mathematician and a computer pioneer. Boolean is a system of logical thought, in this case, a logical way to search through an insane amount of data. You might have heard the term Boolean logic before. Operator is the term for the rule that you use to perform a search operation. This helps strengthen your accuracy of your search results to help you find the best information possible. Let's talk about our first group of operators, and, or, and not. To explain this function, let's discuss apples and limes arranged in a Venn diagram. If we were to search for apples and limes, what part of the diagram do you think would be highlighted? The middle. This means our search results will include items that talk about both apples and limes. Now, if we change our search to look for results about apples or limes, which part of the diagram do you think would be highlighted? All of it. This means our search results will include items that talk about either apples or limes. This also means that if a resource talks about apples, it might also coincidentally talk about limes, and vice versa. Lastly, let's change our search. Now we want apples, but not limes. What part of the diagram do you think would be highlighted? Only the apple part. This means our search results will include items that only talk about apples. If a resource includes anything about limes, the result will not show up on our results list. You might be able to think of some examples when using and or might be useful, but you might not recognize how useful not can really be. Here's an example. Let's say we're doing another search for apple. What kind of results do you think you'll get? Well, there's Apple the fruit, and then we also have Apple the technology company. If you search for Apple by itself, you're going to find results about both. But if you're only interested in the fruit, then you might consider adding the words not technology to your search. Next, we're going to talk about the quotation operator. Sometimes quotations are needed when you have to search for terms that are more than one word. Let's use the example Death Star. Oh no, these aren't the results I'm looking for. When you search without quotations, you might get some results about Star Wars, but you're likely going to end up with lots of death and lots of stars. Now, if we put quotations around the phrase, we're only going to get things from Star Wars. Quotations are also great for book and movie titles, multi-word terminology like germane cognitive load, and first and last names together. You can also add an asterisk at the end of any root word to search for all variations of that word. This helps you save time searching because you won't have to search for every variation individually. Let's use the root word child as an example. If you type in child with the asterisk, you'll notice your search results include items with the words child, children, and childhood. Some other examples of when asterisks are helpful include words like America, American, Americanize, Americanization, or character, characterize, characterization. Let's review. Today we have learned what Boolean is and why it's important, how to use and, or, and not operators, when to use quotations, and how asterisks can help save time searching. My name is Kat Silvers, and I hope you found this lesson useful. Thanks for watching.